All right, now we're going to start on the test paper now, which is actually, hold on. Okay, where is it? Hold on. All right, this is now this year's paper, okay? This is the prelim paper for 2020, primary 6. That means this paper is about 1-2 months old only. And we are now going to move to the questions. Okay, here we go. All right, questions 1 and 2, please.
Oh, this one math ah?
Yes, maths. What do you mean?
I already do it.
You have done this paper?
Yes.
This one, Nanyang?
2020 prelim, right?
Sure, I do also.
Okay, ready? You have done, you all have done this?
No,
You
only
have
like some people.
Have you done this paper?
Halfway.
Yes, I have. I did it in class.
Okay, so I will not use this paper then. Okay, let me, have you done, okay, then maybe you have to see the paper before you know whether you have done it. What about Henry Park? Have you done Henry Park? Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm gonna now do it now, okay? Okay, can you see the screen? Cannot see the screen.
Henry Park also I already do.
You have done already?
Yeah.
2020 you have done?
Yes, 2020.
All this you have done? Totally?
Yes.
What about Raihana?
No.
No. Okay, what about ACS? Have you done?
ACS done already.
Done?
Okay.
ACS means
Oh,
you all,
ACS I already do.
wow, means you all have done so many. Okay, let me now check now. Okay, I will ask you, tell me, okay, what about, hold on. What about red swastika?
Yes.
No.
Rosith?
Red swastika, I just did it just now.
Rosith?
Rosyth, heaven.
Evan. What about Miss, what's her name? Raihana, have you done?
No.
Okay, good. So we do
No.
Rosith or Rosai. Your teacher call it Rosai. I do not know what to call it also.
It's
Let's call
Rosyth.
it Rosyth or Rosith. Because in Star Wars, it's called Sith, right?
I don't know. I don't watch Star Wars.
Oh, really? Okay. Okay, now we're gonna start this one now, and here we go. Did you call your cousin, Miss? Okay, so we are going to have another few more lessons. Sunday there's going to be one. Monday, Sophia's not joining, so there's a second last one on Monday, and then the last one will be on Thursday. All right. So Monday is still same time as today. Only the Thursday one, I will try to have it at 5 to 7. Okay. Let us try now. Question number 1 and 2.
One is 3.
There is a dot down here. They can't see the dot. Hold on. Okay, there's a dot down here, okay? Imagine you can't see the dot, right? So I'm going to put the dot here. Okay, the dot is there, okay? So you say 1 is 3. Okay, and then your next one, please. If you cannot see, I'll enlarge it.
My answer for number 2 is 1.
Okay, what about the rest? Wait for the rest. So how do you score for your test papers, Sophia? Your practice papers.
Last time I was like failing. Now I'm like passing.
Alhamdulillah. Sorry?
No dot.
What do you say? I cannot hear.
There's no dot.
There, I put a dot for you. 80 point. The dot down here. The dot. This is the dot. Okay.
I'm actually like, I am getting better in my booklet A.
Okay, great. So your answer is 2, is it? Right, Zahira?
Yeah.
What about Raihana? Raihana, what's your answer for question 1?
Number 2.
Number 2. Hey, how come you all get number? You all know which one is 10, right? Okay, 10 is
Oh wait,
Just down here.
my answer is
This is 10. So look at
wait,
the next one.
no.
Zahira,
Two. Answer
3.
is number 3.
Okay, all right. Okay, the next one then. What about the next one? Be careful, you can do this really. You can do.
Is it a plus or is it a divide?
Plus.
Number 2.
Number 2. What about number 2? Zahira?
Answer is number 1.
Oh, which one? Number 2.
Yeah.
Zahira?
Number 1.
Number 1. Okay, well done. Congratulations. 10F plus 2F is 12F. 6 plus, number 1. Yeah. 6 minus 2, 4 is, yeah, correct. Number 1. I've somehow missed out this F. Okay, we try the next one.
Mr. Shaheed, Ben is 1 unit, right?
Yeah. Zahira, you told your cousin where? Yeah. Okay. Ben is 1 unit.
My answer is 1.
1.
You know, I mean 2.
2. Okay. So how much do you score for your paper 1, Sophia?
For what?
For maths, paper 1.
For what?
Your practice paper. You see improve?
So
Huh?
what is
Yeah lah.
what's 36 times 2?
72. Now how much you get for your whole paper 1?
Divided by 4.
Yeah, divide by
I
4.
normally
18.
get like
So number 2.
15,
Out of?
20.
Okay, just paper section A, is it?
Yeah, but then no, section A, section B. I mean over 45, I always get like 30 something, 36.
So last time you got how much?
Last time I got like 20 something
You got improved by 10
or
marks.
17 or even like 1 digit.
Why? Okay.
Yeah, I
Okay.
got like 7 over 45 before.
Answer
Oh, okay. Number 2, okay, well done. Everyone got. Okay, so we Raihana says number 2. So there's 3 units here, right? Ben is here, and this is now another one more unit. So the whole thing is 36 times 2 because it's average. So you get 72. 72 divided by 4, you get 18. 1 unit is 18, so Ben is 18. Congratulations to all of you who have gotten it correct. Well done. Notice it's getting easier. All right. So your only mistake will be careless mistakes. So be careful.
My answer is 2.
2. What about? What about your paper 2, Sophia? How much you get?
Very bad.
Overall, do you pass? You add together?
For what?
5.4 cm.
5.4. Johanna? Johanna?
Wait, my friend calling me.
Hey.
Paper 2 is covered.
Friendly call me because of just now got fight.
Okay, so
I also in
oh,
class.
you're fighting each other. Don't fight. Now you're girls, how you can fight? You pull each other's hair. All right. I saw. Okay, but anyway, down here, from here to here, how much is one? 1 unit. Who knows? 1 unit is how much?
1 unit is 0.2.
Good. So 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 down. But down here is you got to count backwards. 1 cm, 2 cm, 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm, 5.2, 5.4. Okay, number 2 is right. Now the next one. What is a possible mass of the watermelon? This one just guess. But you should be.
kg or gram review?
Hey, kilo means 1,000. Kilogram is 1,000 gram. And you must know lah. Takkan you go, no teacher, I'm just 40 grams. 40
My
grams.
answer is 2.
2, okay. What about the rest?
Wait, no, 3.
3.
Then gram is what, 100?
No, gram is 1 kilogram is 1,000 gram.
Okay, kg later.
Hey, 1 kilogram, your weight is measured in gram or kilogram? Okay, remember your tai idong is measured in gram. Your body is measured in kilogram. Please don't say that I measure only 40 grams, teacher. Ayo, your teacher be thinking, what is this? What about Raihana? What's your answer?
Wait, I haven't seen it. Mass is 6.5.
6.5. Okay. What about?
So just now, I broke.
There's
Me and my friend
2
broke all of my friend's stationery.
All of your friends, right?
We broke one. All of our friends' stationery. They all
no.
shot at them.
Why you do that?
We
Okay.
kinda pissed off.
Number 1. What's your answer? Okay. Hold on. Number 3, is it? Right, Zaira? Okay, number 3 is correct. This is if a baby is a baby as heavy as 6.5 5 kg?
Yes.
No, normally it's 3 kg, 4 kg, 2 kg plus. 6.5 kg is a very big baby.
It's 1 year
very.
old.
Yeah, maybe I do not know how many months.
My
or whatever.
brother 3 years old, 20 kg, you know.
3 years old. Yeah, So
That's
if,
overweight.
I do not know what is he fat?
Yes,
He is.
yes, very.
How old is he now?
3.
Okay. He loves eating.
Yeah, he always like drink milk. Two to 5 degree, right? Is equals to 45 times 5, right?
Yes.
Okay. My answer is west.
4. The answer is 4. Okay, let's see. Let's look at all the rest. So how do you feel now, Sophia, about mathematics?
Quite bad.
Huh?
Because of the paper 2.
No, but when you combine the marks, do you pass?
Sometimes no.
So sometimes yes.
Yeah, sometimes just pass.
So it's okay. That means you're breaking through already, right? So stay positive, pass this paper, aim for at least a B lah.
B is 60 say.
Boleh say?
4.
Tak boleh.
Number
I
4.
would
Okay.
always get like 52.
No,
So not so bad. Okay.
Yeah,
Number
I want
4.
to get a C.
I get
Okay. Rahana, what's your answer, Rahana? Rahana, you there? You see lah, I do not know whether she's there. So we down here.
Show it.
Okay. All right, we wait for you. Remember, we have to write the we here. This is north, this is south. So I'm going to draw the you will wait for Raihana for a while. So Zahira, what about you? Are you getting better in your paper 1? Yes. Little bit. Okay. Don't worry, don't worry. You just keep on trying. Inshallah. You see, it's like boiling and this one a lot of people don't know. It's like a
The
boiling
answer
number
4.
number 4. Okay. So let us see. He is facing east, so he's facing here. Right? Now let us see what is 225 degrees. This from here to here 90, 90, already 180.
45.
It's like this, no? Is
No, it's wrong.
no, hold on. I just tell you 90, 90 plus 45. So is you go half and a little more. So down here your east, you got to go half. From here, this 90 degrees, another 90 degrees, right? And then half until here, means you got to go until here. Means he ended up this direction. And then he goes 45 degrees anti-clockwise, go back here. So you're all 3 correct, is west. Congratulations, well done. Okay, this is now, which 2 lines are perpendicular to each other? Perpendicular, you all know what it means, right? Cuts each other at 90 degrees.
Rahana, what does your profile mean?
Oh, it's an NCT album.
NCT.
I cannot.
I don't know, like my friend also like NCT. So yeah, okay.
G perpendicular. I'm also irregular.
Okay, anyone? And Zahira?
Is it number 4?
Number 4, she says. Sophia? Rahana?
I need to choose 2 or 4.
2 or 4, let's see. 2, you can't really tell because in between here. This one, maybe you can tell.
4.
Okay, you have to assume that this is all squares lah. Although some of them look,
Must have right angle, right?
yeah, it looks like rectangle, but actually it's supposed to be square.
No, I said must have right angle, right?
Yeah, right angle. Yeah.
If number 3 is a parallel, right?
Yeah, number 3, E, F, and
Number 1 also parallel.
no, number 3 is not really we do not know whether it's parallel. I don't think it's parallel, but it is confirmed not perpendicular. Okay, Rahana and Sophia, what's your answer for question number 7?
Number 1 also not.
Yeah, number 1 is no. Rahana and are you all there? Although these students really lost interest. Okay, so down here is correct now. Okay, you see if this is a square, if you draw the lines from one to another diagonal line, it will be 90 degrees. This one 45, 45, 90. So your answer is 4, right? 4 is correct. Okay, move on to number 8 then. Trapezium. AB parallel to DC. So this one, we're talking about this one. Yeah, parallel here. DAB.
Teacher, angle ADE is 32, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's one way to find.
And then is angle CDA is 148.
CDA 148, yeah? Correct.
Teacher, for trapezium, A and B equals 180 or not?
Okay, trapezium, right? This and this, right, in this case. So 1, 2 add up to 180. 1, 2 add up 100.
Oh, okay.
Rahana, you there? See that these girls are not there. Sophia, you there?
My answer
Yeah.
Not there.
number 2, 32.
2. Okay, what about Sophia? What's the answer, Sophia?
Number 3.
Number 3. Okay. Anyone else? Sophia? Not yet. Okay, I'll show you this. Ring, ring, zing. This is equals to this.
Oh, the answer 32.
Yeah, it's 32. So, 32.
Correct.
Because they say EDC is a straight line, so EDC straight line, so it's also this part, whole line is parallel. So you can do like that if you want to. Okay, it's quite easy, So yeah, you got 32, right? Zaira?
How do you got 32?
There down here, can you see the Z?
Because it's a Z. I mean, I find that angle, you take 180 minus 108 minus 40, and after you get the answer.
Yeah, so you just write 180, yeah. Okay, it's quite easy, Next one. This one appeared in one of the PSLE papers, I think.
My answer is 2.
2 says.
My answer 80, number 2.
What about Rahana? Rahana?
182.
182? Apa yang 182?
No, wait, no. The answer is 180 minus 76 minus 24.
Which you get 80. Yeah. So this down here is 76. So 1, 2, 3 add up to 180 minus these two you add up, you get 180. 100. 180 minus 100, you get 80. Okay.
I thought you had to divide by 2.
This one, sorry?
I thought must divide by 2.
Which one?
This one.
Oh, this one. Okay, if you are going to find, but I find, let's say from here to here, this is a straight line. Right? This one 180. Right?
Oh, I take channel 60 minus.
You can do it that way, no problem. Then this one is 76. So 180 minus 24 minus 76. Can also do it this way. Yeah. Okay, now.
Half an hour is 30 minutes.
Yes. Half an hour is 30 minutes.
Number 3, 22.
22. What about Sophia and Raihana?
But then right, I thought have to like do okay for 10 AM is $10, right?
No, not on 10
Why
a.m.
you do this one, Angel?
So you need to find 10 a.m. to 11 to 12, which is 2 hours.
Oh. Wait, so 10 to 11 is $10.
Yes.
Yeah.
So number 3.
Number 3. Okay.
$6 and $6.
Wait.
Half an hour times 2 equals to 1 hour. Then 6 times 2 equals to 12. Then 12 plus 10 equals to 22.
Congratulations.
My answer is 3.
Yeah, all got 3. Well done. Well done. Okay. So notice it's not so tough, right? And the reason why it's not so tough is because you're getting better and better and better. If we have more time, you'll be able to aim for A and even B. B and even A. But now, if you get C, it's quite good.
My answer is 1.
Well, I have not even read the question. If you don't know, you try out the numbers and add to the number. Use an imaginary number.
Means our answer must equal to 10 also.
No. What this means, let's say now you take any number, you divide by 10, there's this remainder 7. So why don't you try, give that number, give me an example number. Okay, I give you an example, 27. 27 divided by 10, you get 2 remainder 7. So what number must you plus to 27 to make it a multiple of 5? 27 is not multiple.
3 plus 3.
Plus 3.
30.
So, okay, so how
How do you
to
get 27?
Okay, it can be 37. 37 divided by 10, let's say we divide by 10 now here. Okay, you can get 30. The remainder is 7, correct? The remainder is 7. If I put 27, also remainder is 7. If I put 47, remainder is 7.
Oh, 30.
So it doesn't matter. So now the remainder 7, if the remainder can plus by 3, the remainder now will become 10. 10 can divide by 5. What? So you want to plus a number to the remainder to make sure it can divide by 5. But 10, what about the first 10? Well, the first 10, if it can divide by 10, it can divide by 5. Any number that can divide by 10 means it can divide by 5. Correct or not?
你好，我先拿来。
30.
Yes. What do you say? 30. No, the answer is 3, correct. Answer is 3, yeah. So you must understand that down here now, if let's say they tell you, okay, so we do not know what this number is now. Okay, let's say divide by 10 here. Okay, we divide by 10. Okay, the answer down here does not matter, but finally you will get 7. So this can be 27, 37, 47, 17, 107, and so on and so forth. Once you divide by 10, you surely get 7 remainder. So if you plus this, so what's the original number? Maybe it's 57. Imagine. So if you plus this by 3, it becomes 60. 60 can divide by 5. Once you have a 0 at the back, any number that have a 0 at the back can divide by 2 numbers. You can divide by 5 and 10. For example, we put 20. Okay, 20 for sure can divide by 10. And when you can divide by 10, you can divide by 5. So you need to add 3 over here. Okay, we try the next one, Mr. Lim.
My answer is 1.
1. All right, let's see what about the rest. Rahana?
Mr. Lim 好，
Number?
我不知道，我不知道。
Can't hear you, Rahana. Zahira? Zahira can. Rahana, what's your answer?
Number 3.
Number 3. Number 3 is the amount of money he spent. They ask you how much money was left. Come on, miss. Right? That's the amount of money he spent. You want the amount of money that was left.
Where are we, Edwin?
Yeah. Answer is $30.50 times 2
That's $61.
plus
Number 1.
23 points.
That's 84.17. Okay, number 1,
Then
Zahira.
100 minus that answer.
Okay, so that will be, once you take 100 minus the answer, you'll be less than 20. So this is the only answer. Okay, congratulations. Huh? Now, so notice this. Okay, let's see whether you can do this.
My answer is 2.
Oh, so far. Do you draw a model? You did not. Do you draw a model?
No.
Okay, because I am drawing a model. So if you didn't draw a model, and if your answer is correct, I'm not saying it's correct yet.
Is it correct?
No, it's not.
Okay. My answer is 1.
Guessing.
My answer is 1.
Okay. We wait for the rest.
No, my answer is 3.
Guessing, Nashi.
Is it 3?
I don't know. I'm not going to say anything because if I tell you the answer, then you say it's not the one.
Okay, but my answer is 4.
Oh, which one is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. You must draw a model.
3.
Okay. What about the rest? I will draw a model for you then. Anybody?
Number 2.
Number 2. What about Raihana?
Number 2.
All right. So now we have to draw the model. Okay. So let us see. Yeah. So here we go. She has this amount of roses and she's only selling roses on Mother's Day. So she sold 200 here at first in the morning. And then after that, we can divide the rest of the parts to 5 parts. And they say that this is the remainder. She sold 2/5 of the remainder in the afternoon. Then they say that she's left with half. Well, she's left with 3 units, but this 3 units is the same as this. So if this is 1 unit, 2 units, 1 unit, 2 units, that means this $200 must be equals to 1 unit. You got to understand the model here. Okay, I repeat again. She has amount of roses. She sold 200. And then she sold another 2/5 of the remainder. This is the remainder. The squares here from here to here. This is the remainder. So she sold 2/5. So she's left with 3/5 unsold. So they say the unsold amount is half of the whole thing. So that means this unsold from here to here is the same as this because it's half. If this is half, this one must be half. So you got 1 unit, 2 units here. So this 1, 2 units, they are equal. So this 200 must be equal to 1 unit. So 1 unit is 200. So how many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units will be 200 times 6 is 1,200. Okay. Now can we stop for prayer now because the azan is earlier. Okay, then we can end slightly later. Okay, we pause here. Okay. All right, I will continue. And then Zahira, call your cousin, Zahira. She say.
I asked her if she never joined tuition. Are you joining tuition? She said, wait. And I said, after Solat join. And she said, okay. And then my mother also text me. The mother asked, got tuition or not? I said, yeah, got 6:30 now. Solat break. And after that, the mother said, okay.
But there's no change, right? So far, I've never really changed the timing, right? So next week is also Sunday is going to be the same time, Monday the same time. Only Thursday I want to make it 2 hours, 5 to 7. Because your next day is maths.
I think you forgot today. I think you forgot today got class.
Oh, so next time I must send a reminder. Okay, girls, please come back. Raihana and Sophia. So
Yes.
oh, okay, you're there. All right, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna start now. I'm gonna share screen. Raihana, you there, Raihana? Yes. Okay, well done. All right, now we try question number 14. All this no calculator. Okay, we do paper 2 on Sunday lah.
I think she forgot.
Huh, Shafika?
Forgot today got tuition.
Oh, okay. I think I have to remind lah. I have to remind. Got too many days of tuition.
She joining soon.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Assalamualaikum, Ms. Shafika. We are doing question number 14, Ms. Shafika. Next time, Shafika, can you hear me? Okay, we're doing question number 14. I think next time I have to just send a reminder lah. Maybe you all become confused when got tuition. So the next tuition is on Sunday. After that, will be Monday, and then the last one on Thursday. Sorry about yesterday because your mom called me up, messaged me at 5 plus. I already made appointments at night, so very, very sorry.
Yesterday got tuition.
No.
Even if you don't appointment got tuition now.
Shafika's mother asked, so I thought she wanted extra lesson. So anyway, but if you all want extra lesson, you got to tell me early lah. Okay, 1 minute more, 1 to 2 minutes more. Ya Allah, I didn't read the question properly. Oh God, please read the question carefully. I thought it was area. Oh my goodness, I'm finding all the wrong one. It's supposed to be perimeter. Perimeter. Ya Allah, perimeter is not so tough.
Mr. Shaheed,
Yes.
to find the parameter have to do pi d, right?
Pi times d to find circumference of one circle.
How to find the perimeter of the circle?
Circle. Then this one is one from here to here. It's half circle, right? then another half circle. You combine, become one circle. So what's the, they tell you that the length is 28.
Formula. If you find the circumference, the perimeter, is it?
Yeah, circumference is, yeah, if you find the circumference is this part and this part. So the other circumference, this part and this part. But then you must plus this part and you must plus this part. So you must plus.
It's number 2.
Answer is number 2, is it? Okay, let me see. And did you plus this part, Shafika? How much is this part, Shafika? Shafika. See down here, they say 28.
14.
So down here is 14. So don't forget to plus 14 plus 14. 214. Zahira, Endo. Rahana, you there, Rahana? I don't hear your voice.
Yes, I am.
If you find the circumference of one circle, you have to times 4, is it?
Not times 4, times 2, you see? 1, 2 is one circle. What?
Oh, it's okay.
That's times 2 lah. So you get down here. Then you get this
I
part
don't know
here.
what to do.
Who's that? Shafika.
I don't understand.
Okay, so you know that circumference of one circle is the same as like that, Shafika?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you find circumference of one circle is equal to this. The other circle will
Is
be
it
like that.
mm,
So then you plus 14 plus 14 lah.
How about another half of that?
Sorry?
How about another half?
is it 44?
44 is for circumference of one circle.
Oh, then 22.
No, don't need, okay, 22 then you must times 4 lah.
22 is for what?
Half. 44 is one whole full circle.
Oh, yeah, 40
So
is by 2.
No, no need to do, up to you. You want to divide by 2 again?
88.
88 for these 4 smiles. Don't forget this one, this one. Sophia, where are you, Sophia? I can't hear you. Where? Come back, Sophia.
Yes, yes.
Do not go towards the light.
44 must plus 14 plus 14.
Yes. So this, how do we know it's 14? Because from here to
Oh,
here,
number 3.
answer number 3. Okay, let's see. But can you all get number 3? It's not too tough, no, Zan. It's within your reach.
Oh, then you can take the, you take the triangle, I mean the square minus all the circle.
Triangle, where again?
You take the square minus the circle.
That's area, miss.
Oh, yeah.
This one we want perimeter is just the outline.
Oh,
That was the same mistake I made. Normally when you put shaded part, find the area. So I wanted to find the area, but actually, okay, they want the perimeter. So you find 1, 2, this is one circle. Circumference, one circumference. How to find circumference? 22/7 times D. D is 14. Huh? How do we know it's 14?
Number 3.
Well, number 3 is correct. Or 14. So once you do that, you get 44 for one circle. So 44 times 2 lah, because there's 2 circles. All you want to do, Shafika's way, you want to find what is half a circle then times 4. Up to you. You see, I take 1 circle, 2 circles, can. Or Shafika says, this is 1 circle, I divide by 2, I get this one, then I times by 1, 2, 3, 4. Can also. Then you plus 14 plus 14. Okay. Answer is 116. Number 15.
The number 24 is the children.
Number 24. 24 children.
And the
Choose
3.
mommy.
What is the chocolate?
Chocolate.
0.
Chocolate, they didn't write down. Hold on. Let me see. The table shows the result. Given the most popular snack is that thing, the least popular was prawn. Yeah, 0, no one. The least popular was prawn crackers. Yeah, they did not highlight this one. Okay, actually there's supposed to be a number here. Okay, I tell you what, wait, we don't waste time on this one in case there's a problem in the question. All right, thank you very much, Ms. Shafika. We move on to this one. Okay, very easy. Please must be able to do all this.
Common factor is the 2 over 6 or times one.
Yeah, all the numbers that can times to get 20. 1 times 20, 2 times 10. Factors, divide. Multiples, multiply.
I did a careless mistake at my exam like that. I go to the common factor 2, 4, 6, 8.
That's multiplying. That's multiples of 2, right?
1 and 5.
1 and 5, say Shafika. What about 17, Shafika?
Mine's also 1 and 5.
1 and 5 is Sophia. Shafika, you passing your paper 1 already?
Not really.
Your practice papers?
Yeah. Mr. Shaheed, is it for 17? Is it like out of 100?
Percentage is always fraction over 100.
Like 32 over 100?
I don't know. I'm not going to tell you.
Because like the... Or is it 3 over 200?
No, this is 3.2. Okay. 1 whole is how many percent? 1 whole.
100.
Good. This one is 3 whole. Huh?
So,
Answer is 1 and 5.
1 and 5. Okay. Rahana, do you get 1 and 5? So,
Yeah.
yes. Okay. So,
300.
okay, hold on. I just show this one for 1 times 20. Then you go 2 times 10. Then 3 cannot, 4 cannot, 4 can. Sorry. 4 times 5. And then that's for 20. Next one is 1 times 35. 2 cannot, 3 cannot, 4 cannot, 5 times 7. And that's it. So,
32.
sorry?
32.
Okay, hold on. So this one is 1 and that's common and 5. 1 and 5 for this one. So answer is 1 and 5. Now the next one. I already told you many times when you have percentage. When you have,
toilet.
yeah, go. Whenever you have decimal or fraction, you want to find percentage just times by 100. That's all. Finish. Whenever you get decimal, they ask you to change the percentage, or they give you a fraction to change percentage just times by 100. What's your answer? Sophia, your answer?
Huh?
What's your answer? Whenever you have decimal or fraction, just times by 100, you get percentage.
So it's 320.
Yes. 1 whole. Okay, now
So it's 32%.
No, 320%.
Huh?
320. That means you still don't understand. Okay.
320%.
Yeah, you just need to times this thing by 100.
You got
Now,
me?
what got me? Yes, I'll show you now.
I
1
thought only
whole.
got 100%.
1 whole is how much?
100.
100%. Correct? So 2 whole must be how much?
200.
200. 3 whole 300 lah. So how you get 3 whole 300? You times by 100, times by 100. So normally they give you half. You don't believe half is how much? Half. 50%, correct?
50.
So half is 50. 1 is 100. 2 is 200. 3 is 300. 3.2 you times by 100.
Yeah,
3.2.
so there's such thing as like
Yes.
more than
100 there is, because sometimes this is like a type of fraction. Percentage is a type of fraction. It's actually 320 over 100. That's what it is. And you divide, okay, I'll show you now. Remember I told you percentage is always over 100. Okay, I see. So, okay, thank you for coming back. Now, 320, this is actually a fraction with a denominator of 100. See, I cancel. So down here now, 32 divided by 10. Okay, all right. 32 divided by 10. I shift 1 0. 10 is 1 0. See 1 0, 3.2. Can you see that? It's the same thing. So whenever you got fractions or decimal, they ask you to change the percentage just times by 100. Whenever you want to change a percentage to decimal or fraction, just divide by 100. I think I better like this for you now. You memorize this, memorize like this somewhere. I've already gone through this many times. And when I go through with you, normally I will explain, go through. Okay, so now to change from decimal or fractions to percentage. Sorry, to percentage. Just times by 100. Example, just times by. Example, 3. Let's say 0.25. So change this 0.25 times 100. Okay, then you put the percent there. So the answer is 0.25 times 100 is 25%. If you want to do reverse, change percentage. Yeah.
Can I go solat first?
Yeah, you should have solat just now.
Because just now I
No, you solat. So to percentage to decimal or fraction, you divide by 100. Okay, you divide by 100. It's very simple. Okay, so you memorize this, memorize this. Okay, next one. Question number 18.
$65.
65. Do the rest get 65? Johanna can get 65?
Yes.
Wait,
Johanna, this one is how much, Johanna?
Wait. One is 20.
20. This one over here?
80.
This one?
50.
50, yeah. Okay. So you just add and then minus. When you add this, 80 plus 20, 100. 100 plus 50, 150. 215 minus 150, you get 65. Congratulations.
I got 65.
Yeah. Okay. So this is quite easy. Okay. So all you need to do, as I said, paper 1, be careful. You will surely be able to pass and score. Okay, this one. I do not know what you can see. Find the volume of the cube. Each one is 1. You just need to add how many cubes are there. Maybe you cannot see so clearly, but Anybody? Anybody?
Must find the volume is the
How many cubes are there lah? So one cube is one square.
17.
Say 17 says someone. So how many cubes are there? Okay, Shafika says 17. What does Raihana say?
17. But you have to find the volume, right?
Yeah, the volume. Okay, because the
1
length
times
is
1
1.
times 1 is 1 what?
1 times 1
17
times 1. So 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. So 1 cube is 1. So all you need to do is just count the cube.
17.
17. Okay, let's see. So how to do Raihana can get 17?
Can, of course.
Can. Okay, we count. I will go by this row lah. First we go by row, row, row. We add all. Otherwise, there's no system. So you up to you to find out a system. So down here there's 1. This row there's 1. This one is this row for how many? How many cubes are there? How many
Where?
cubes? Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4. Below this one is 5. 5, huh? So this one 1, 2. This one is 2. Okay. This one down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for me, when I add, I want to add the easy one. I'm not going to add 1 plus 5. I think 5 plus 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17. So you can do this way. You can go row by row. Otherwise, it might be confusing. Or you can go level by level. Okay, bottom level, how many? Up to you lah. Whatever your system is. Okay. So 17. This one is giveaway, so we won't be looking at that. Okay, find the value of 7 divided by 8. They want you to do like that. 7 divided by 8. Can you tell me what is your answer? 2 decimal place. Don't use calculator, please. Who is that using calculator? I can feel.
Zero 0.875.
But they want 2 decimal place only.
Mm.
So 0.8.
0.88.
What about the rest?
My answer is 0.88.
Okay, welcome back. Okay, what about Shafika and Raihana? Okay, we have to do this on the board in case some of you don't know. Huh? Look, if you don't know, you must learn this skill because long division is primary 3 skill. So some of you might be stuck. I do not know. I hope you have settled it. Huh? 7 divided by 8. 7 divided by 8 cannot divide. So we put a 0. Put a dot here. Put a dot. And you can add how many zeros you want. You want 1,000 zeros? Can. Up to you. 70 can you divide by 8? 70 cannot, but 64 can. So 64 is 8. Okay, this is 8. Minus, you get
So I also got the same.
6, 0.88. Okay. Bring down the 0 here. 60 cannot divide by 8. The number is smaller than 60 is 56 is 7. Minus, you get 4. Bring down the 0, 40. 40, you get 5. So 2 decimal place, must stop on here. Look at the number here. This is 5. Add 1, 0.8. Okay, I think you all know this. You all know this, right? So let us complete there.
Mr. Shaheed,
Yes, please.
for this year, right? Like the PSLE should be like
Easier.
quite easier, right?
I believe
Because
so.
of because of
COVID.
the like
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think they will not, because they might get a lot of complaints. So you all might be lucky. They say push yourself. You can
it's
go.
a blessing.
Go for A or B.
Also, I checked they remove the topic easy
Yeah. Hopefully,
for
inshallah.
level 5.
And you all know that all of you are improving. The question normally is, are you improving enough on time? That's the question. But it's okay. Just go all out. Just go all out.
I need to go toilet, but then if I go toilet, I cannot go back because later my nephew come.
What? You want to go toilet? Carry on.
But then I cannot go because later if I go out, later my nephew chase me.
Oh. I do not know the solution to that.
Your what? Your nephew.
Yeah,
Which
my
is,
baby cousin. I need to go end. I really no pee.
you better go lah.
My nephew and niece, right? They speak in British. How am I? I mean, I
British
can
English.
speak in British lah,
I
but
lived
then
in London for 1 month.
What do you
No,
mean British?
because-
British is English, what?
yeah, I know how to. I understand them, but like they are like so like. It's
So
very weird when I speak in British in front of the father.
I'm zoom in.
We are ending in 15 minutes. Okay, come. Let us try. Yeah, go and pee now. Let's just go and pee. All right. Then you put your nephew in front of the thing. You'll give him a schooling.
No, later he will confirm chase me because he loves.
Okay, come. 22. The figure below not drawn to scale is formed using two identical squares. Two identical large equilateral triangles. Identical means exactly the same, huh? And two identical small equilateral triangles.
I got a question.
Yes.
How much do you get for PSLE here?
Last time I got 333, but last time it's a different scoring system.
It's over 400, right?
I don't think so. 30 scores. I don't think so. I got
You find
A
the-
for maths.
How you find
What?
out?
Sorry?
How you find outside the equilateral triangle?
Because equilateral is all the same. Huh? All the same, right? You get it now? You want the outside.
Yeah, how to find?
Oh, is it like one side of
okay.
the
How
equilateral
to-
triangle is 15? Is it?
No. It doesn't mean that way. But ask yourself, one big triangle, one small triangle is equal to how many square? You know what?
Huh?
You
Equal
don't
to
need to
one
prove.
whole
Okay. Okay. So you see, yeah, down here, one big and one small is equal to how much?
the whole
One big one.
square.
Two squares. 15.
2 squares.
15. So now you count by big smaller. This is one big, one small, one big. How much is this?
30.
30. Then you count one small, one big. How much is this? So you all know how to do. Yes, just be creative in your thinking. You can do this. You can do this. Okay, continue. What's your answer?
150.
150. What about Shafika? What do you say to your cousin's answer?
Oh yeah.
Correct.
Is it correct?
What about Sophia, Rahana?
How do you even get that?
Okay, so we do step by step. Now we have to ask Sophia to do this game. So Sophia, how much is this? This is one side, the big triangle, and small side. How many cm is this? Here to here.
30.
Good. So one small, one big is how much?
Huh?
This is one small triangle, one big triangle. So one small triangle here and one big triangle, how much is it?
30.
Same, right? 30 or so. So this one small, one big, how much is it?
30.
One big, one small, how much is it? You understand what I'm doing?
15.
No, 30 lah. Every time one small, one big is 30. So this plus this is 30. 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 So you can find already.
120 plus 15 plus 15, 130.
You get it now, Sophia? You can't see, right?
How do you even get it?
Yeah. Can you see? I cannot
Oh, okay. I get it.
see. Sophia not answering now. Sophia.
I get it.
Sophia.
I get
Sophia!
Oh my God.
Can you hear not, Sophia? Oi. Okay, so Rahana, can you hear? No one can hear me. Okay, so I'm just going to explain.
Zahira, can you hear
Can.
me?
So
Can.
one small triangle
I think there's
and
something wrong
one
with his
big
mic.
triangle
Yeah.
is equal to 2 lengths of the
Shaheed.
square.
Is it
One is
Shaheed?
15, so this is 15, 15 is
Shaheed.
30. So we know one big
Can you hear
triangle,
me?
one small triangle is 30 cm. So let's count how many
Someone
sets.
call you.
Oh, there's one set here.
Teacher.
There's another set here. 2 sets. There's another set here. 3 sets. And there's the last
Sorry.
set.
Salah. I did wrongly.
So we can write down
Shaheed.
one set of one big small triangle. It is 30 cm. There's 4 sets. So 4 sets means
Shaheed.
the name Zahira say times 4.
Shaheed.
So you get 120. Correct. Well done. Then you need to pass plus 15 here and 15 here. So 120
Yeah.
plus 15 plus 15 equals to 150 cm. I hope you all are okay. Can you hear me? Huh? Can right?
Yes.
Cannot hear me.
Can. But you can.
Can.
I cannot hear you. What happened?
Did
Can you hear us?
I couldn't hear you.
us?
Can you?
Can you hear us?
Now I can hear you. Now
Okay,
I can.
Didn't I say I understand lah?
I couldn't hear anything. You want to leave? Up to you lah. Leave it to you. Okay. You want to go to toilet? Go to toilet. If you
I'm
can
busy,
come back,
Shaheed.
it's even better. Yes.
I tried to come back.
Yes.
How
Sophia.
do you even become so good in math?
I used to fail maths, and then I didn't have money
Study,
for tuition. I did study. This was in Sec 2. I did my maths all by myself. I studied
How?
everything and tried to understand all by my own. But my other subjects I didn't do too well. Finally, the maths I truly understand, really understand very deep. Like for example, why?
So you
what
don't
is
understand
CM?
Malay?
No, Malay I
English,
understand, but Malay wasn't. English, my English wasn't so good. Although I used to speak English at home, but it wasn't good. Only in JC, I started to write my diary. So if you write a diary, you can be good in English.
Wait, when are you
Okay.
good at Malay Max?
Maths, Sec 4.
Oh wow.
I studied
Oh,
by
it's
myself.
almost graduating.
No, that was Sec 2 I failed, Sec 3 I failed, Sec 4 I passed.
Oh wow.
I got high marks. But it's not really wow, but Allah has his reasons. So
Mr.
I can-
Shaheed,
Yes, Miss Sophia. Yes?
will you be like okay if I come? I mean, if I get C for math.
It's okay. No, look. Okay,
My-
if
my-
you pass, are you okay?
Yes.
You're sorry? I'm happy you get C. Okay, but the most important thing for some of you, some of my students, they need more time.
Basically,
My-
next week say.
Yeah.
Yes,
2
Shabika.
days. My teacher say if I get
Teacher basically.
A or all same lah. A or
A or-
star for science
Survived him.
or English. She give us like voucher.
Voucher
Wow.
je konon.
Max nothing say.
There are maths. So no one a present for me.
Got someone got A for prelims.
Yeah, my
Oh.
friend also. Yeah.
Really?
Okay.
Someone got 100 over 100.
Teacher.
Oh my god.
ABC ah.
Alhamdulillah.
Teacher.
Oh math.
Yes. Right.
Yeah, prelims.
Teacher. With 5 friends.
Right, it's possible what for the ABC class
100 or 100. Yeah.
for the smart kids.
100. Maths, you can get 100 or 100. Maths is like cycling. Once you know how to
Even
cycle,
my
you
teacher
can never
say
forget.
math. The only subject that can get full marks is math.
Oh boy.
Yeah,
Mana tahu.
because
Sama.
Yeah, mother tongue also.
One of my friend, their brother got NT still go madrasah. What Tanjung?
Okay. All right. Come now, let's try. We only got another 3-4
Miss
lessons.
Shaheed.
Yes. Yes.
Never mind.
Is
What
our
is it?
PhD all the same?
The what? Sorry?
Our PhD all
Ya
All
lah.
the same, yes.
Alah,
Because
cannot different cheat.
if it's a difference,
You
it
will
must be
be
same time
different.
also.
Later you can cheat, see.
Yeah, they will cheat. Yeah.
So Friday our exam for math very scary.
Next week.
Yeah.
Inshallah, you will do okay. You are improving.
Would that be
already.
easy?
I think it'll be quite easy.
Hopefully.
I believe. But the main thing is for you to don't give up and do your best, lah. Once you have done your best, what else? What else can you ask yourself more?
Hopefully the
You've
paper
done
2
your
is
best.
very
Money.
easy.
Money. No, once you've done your best, that is good enough. I've taught some students who parent was like so panicky, and then there's this student, no, he finally passed, and then the parent was so upset. Say, why my son didn't get better score? Before it was failing so badly, in fact, parents forget to be shukur. So main thing is
Chinese,
accept whatever is going to happen in Muslim life.
Is there any parents who love who love their children to fail?
Love the children to fail? No, unless there's something wrong with them. Cuckoo parent, maybe might. But even those who might say, like I was teaching this student tuition, I said, my son is so stupid. My son, but he keep paying me money. In the end, my son got A, But every time the mother keeps saying, my son is so stupid. My son. So your
Why?
parents, because
So bad.
sometimes parents they do not know how to show their love to show that they love their children. Means they love you very much, but they do not know how to show it. So sometimes they might just scold you. So
But no one is.
sometimes your parents scold you, it means that actually they love you very much. You must remember,
Yeah.
right? But don't do that to your parents. Don't do that to your children. Okay, come, let us complete this. We have another 7 or 10 minutes more or 20 minutes more.
Alah, why never do paper 2?
We're going to do paper 2 on Sunday. We're going to do paper 2 on
Yeah.
Sunday. The other day we did paper 2
Should I
last
go
week.
should I go out? Should I go out with my mother on Saturday? Because
Sophia.
like,
Yeah, you should.
Sophia.
I shouldn't because I want to be safe. Yes?
Yeah. You're not going alternate.
I'm thinking about it lah.
My mother my
Huh?
mother let me choose.
Wow, not fair.
My mother don't let.
So next week our tuition Monday, Tuesday.
My mother say depends on my
Monday,
marks.
Thursday. Monday and Thursday. If you
But
want more,
alternate,
you must tell
PSLE
me.
standard not
Early,
higher.
don't tell me 2 hours before.
Wow, what you say?
Arabia standard higher.
Next week,
Yeah lah, alternate. If alternate not high, then I can go
But
in.
Arabic higher lah.
No, hear you. The girls are talking. You're saying what, Zaira?
next week Monday, Tuesday. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday.
Huh? No.
Wait, you all get study break.
Your exam is until Friday, so next Monday and Thursday, that's it. But if you want to have more, tell me earlier. Earlier is
My
not the same
birthday
day.
is Tuesday. Then after 2 days later, mine.
Okay, if you want Tuesday, one Wednesday, I will do it for you, whoever who wants. But you must
Tuesday
tell me
cannot. I
earlier.
got tuition.
Okay,
I got
come.
tuition
Okay.
every day.
Okay, great. Okay.
Can do on Wednesday.
Thursday.
Thursday is your English exam.
Monday, Thursday, and
Never mind lah. Your next day PSLE what?
Yeah. Okay, come. Come, let's try this one. Rahana, where are you, Rahana? Are you there? Stop playing with your niece and nephew.
Mr. Shaheed, but then right, you say you have tuition at Thursday on Thursday
Yeah, Friday is your exam.
Oh, okay.
Correct? Maths exam on Friday. Your English exam you finish on Thursday. You'll be back by 12.
I'm so scared. I feel I want to die.
Don't say that. You don't. You know, I
So
read.
fast. So fast.
You should be happy by next end of next week. You have finished 2 of your subjects.
Dude, I'm scared. It's PSLE.
It's okay.
It's
Just
okay.
NCT. Sorry, NCT. Look at my name.
Okay, come.
Look at my
This one
name.
cannot focus. Yeah, you
Look at my
The
name.
answer 300.
Your answer is 300.
This class is so chaotic.
23 is not 300.
You know what happened just now, Jill? I broke all my friend stationery.
Oh, why you?
Yes,
oh,
yes, you get
Don't
it.
be a gangster lah.
No, I'm not a gangster. It's just that my friend made me this way. I'm usually very kind. It's just that she pushed me and my other friends to the limit.
Then don't do it lah.
That's not-
If my friend asked me to do that, I'll slap her face, you know.
Oh lol.
No, she sabo me first. She said I go cheat in like some exam or something. Then she go bad mouth us all. Then she in front of me she act very kind.
Lol.
Just say like.
Yeah, I cry in class. Cause I shouted. Right. Then one of my best friends, she backed up away from me when I moved.
Oh my god, it's such a small matter, see.
No,
Another friend.
you all shout at her, then you almost beat her up.
Yeah, I get it.
You get it right? When
Yeah.
like you are
When
so.
Zarina one PSLE coming.
Then my cheer score last all.
Hey, you know right? We literally like fight just before PSLE.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
So much fun.
I cry because I scared later all my friends all cannot take PSLE.
yeah, right. So
Then
Just now, one
because-
gang, another gang fight.
yeah, my gang versus the other gang fight.
yeah, I don't have gang lah.
But
I
mine
can't
isn't a gang. Mine is a group of girls.
Yeah, I also. Hey, you know right, my friend,
I think
we
got one gangster
suddenly
inside.
just started fighting because right, I like macam I saw that very fast.
Storytelling.
Yeah, come on, complete it. Okay, we complete 23, then we will tell about the gang fight.
Yay!
Okay.
This one, my
anyways.
suggestion is to
Zarina know who fight. Alia.
San to you.
You know what you doing?
Counting in Chinese.
Mine.
Sure, you got any tips for science?
oh, I don't have any.
English?
You don't go at science.
English, anyhow.
English also I don't
Where you
know.
got 333?
Since I don't know how to
Your one overpass.
Your parents would have gotten better than me.
But English I'm good. It's just that for prelim I got 50 over 100. But then my
Why
mother
got 100? It's 95 lah.
YOLO! English never 100.
54 out of 95 only.
my one.
Normally I did very bad for prelims. I got 68.
Right.
That's not okay. That's very low.
For my CT, right? For my CT, I got 22. Then for my Malay CT, I got
No, what city?
22.
What city?
Common test.
Oh, okay.
I got 22. And then for prelim, I got 52 or 53. I don't know how I increased. Magic. Magic of NCT.
Okay, how much?
Copy lah, NCT.
Hey,
I don't like K-pop, you know.
Come on, for Jacob.
YOLO. Haram.
What
How
haram?
you
NCT,
can
K-pop also haram.
apalah NCT.
Like
Okay,
boys.
you can do
My friend
23
say
lah.
NTUC.
Cannot.
Cannot. Okay, so I'll draw the model and then you.
Question first.
100.
I need to go to the barber shop.
Sure, after PSI can hang out together.
Can,
No.
Why?
Indian the
Because I
rest.
hang out with my friends.
I want.
I'm your friend, what?
I bought it at school. At school at home.
I'm going out with my friends.
I go.
PSLE.
Go watch Harry Potter movies
Oh,
at their house.
Lol.
Okay, I tell you what, we'll continue on Sunday lah.
I go
I
Zahida
will
house.
I'll send you the paper, can?
can.
Can.
Then you want to talk to each other, you can carry on.
Okay, give me the
Zahida.
whole. Or you want to listen?
I leave it to you. I'm recording.
Yeah.
No, I leave it.
Stop recording.
Oh, sorry. Oh, you wrote to me. I didn't know.
Okay, come
You want me
here.
to stop recording? Okay. We will stop recording here because the girls will be talking bad things.
Yes.
Okay, so.